G'day guys, Sammy here, thanks for tuning in. Now, how many of you guys don't have access to a boat? Or if you do, it just doesn't quite suit the styles of fishing you like to do? Well, introducing the Glide V-Series Fishing Kayak. This guy right here will open up a whole host of piscatorial possibilities for you. Let's check it out. Now, as with all our kayak videos, we like to start off with the specs first. This boat here is 265 centimeters long, 74 centimeters wide, and a massive 39 centimeters high. Now, it's because of that size and volume that it can take a massive 120 kilos, so you can really load these guys up. For transportation, this kayak definitely goes on the roof or in the back of the ute. Now, the hull does weigh 27 kilos, so it is recommended to get a hand when you're lifting it on and off. The hulls themselves are tough as nails, so you don't have to worry about dragging them down a rapid or two, or copping the odd beating in the surf. Now, as far as fishability goes, it's a great stable platform to fish from. And, more importantly, it's got plenty of room for rods. You've got your two trolling rod holders at the back here, a couple of storage holders on your backrest, a fully adjustable rod holder here, and two pointing front ways as well. So, plenty of room for rods, whether you take 2, 3, or even 4 or 5. If you like to take heaps of gear fishing like I do, then this kayak's definitely for you. There's heaps of storage. You've got 2 spin out hatches, one in the middle and one up the front, and also a massive storage well up the back. So you don't have to sacrifice any of those little boxes that you might just think you need. The Glide V-Series Fishing Kayak comes with everything you'll need to get out there on the water, already included in the package. So that's your deluxe kayak seat, a paddle, and the fully adjustable rod holder. You could literally pack up your car with all your fishing gear, go to BCF, pick up this one, and then head straight to your next fishing mission. It is literally ready to rock and roll. The V-Series kayak is the ultimate vessel for bay and freshwater fishing, and will cater for anglers of all skill levels, from beginners all the way to advanced. The only limitation being how much paddle power you've got in the arms. So if you're in the market, make sure you head into BCF and check one out. Tight lines.